Okay, this is the improvement that makes simple way ahead of the game. This is one of our first Kevlar poles with regular carbon fiber in it. Made this about 5 years ago. This is our latest design, why we switched to high mod. So this is Kevlar, the bottom sections with high mod. The first top sections are high mod and 3K unsanded. And you can really see a difference. What we're probably going to do is have that top section, the first 5 poles, maybe 4 poles, 4.7, and make it a good residential, first 5 sections, a residential pole. And then you'll be able to get these high mods at 6.6, the green one, and I add on to it. But look at the stiffness. So truly simple, after 10 years, has really been innovating the market. So don't forget about us. We're still a viable supplier, designed by a window cleaner, me, 35 years with window cleaning. I don't know if you should trust these vendors that don't window clean every day. We're doing $10,000 a day at 64, so I must be doing something right. Water fed everything. Phil, Alexander. Alexander's Window Cleaning, Simple Ink, we do windows.